Need to activate your Xfinity modem but don't want to use the app? No problem. There are two main ways to get online: the web portal and phone support. Both methods are still fully functional as of November 2025, secure, and designed to get you connected without needing a smartphone. Let's walk through each option. First, the web portal method. Second, phone support for direct assistance. For the web portal method, start by connecting your modem to power, the coax cable, and your computer via Ethernet. Then go to xfinity.com/activate and log in with your Xfinity credentials or create an account if needed. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your modem's serial number and run activation tests, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. For phone support, call 1-800-XFINITY, which is 1-800-934-6489. Have your account information ready, like your phone number or account ID. The representative will ask for your modem model and MAC address, which you can find on the device label. They'll guide you through the process, including power cycling if needed, and you can expect to be online in about 5 to 20 minutes.